And meanwhile, Maxi Bites is licking Eddie's feet.
Click thumbs up, do 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 do. Click subscribe, do 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 do. Freddy's Little Bites.
Let's go!
Hi, it's Eddie, and today we're doing another crazy Alexa challenge. And so our old Alexa was the first kind, right?
Yeah, we had one of the first versions because we were a beta
Here's
tester.
something I found on Wikipedia. The first kind of mortar was developed in ancient Rome.
Very interesting. I'm glad to know that a mortar was developed in ancient Rome. Thanks, Alexa. Anyway, so yeah, we had one of the first versions, so we had to get a new one because she was starting to be on her way out. And Amazon had a exchange program where we sent that one in and we got a discount on her.
Yeah.
So what is our Amazon Alexa food challenge?
So you gotta pick from here, and you gotta ask this thing to give us a recipe, and then we have to bake it and then eat it.
Aha, and we probably have to go,
Shopping.
yeah, for most of the things, because we don't have everything in our kitchen.
No?
Although we do have a pretty good selection. All right, so what exciting recipe are we getting today? Oh, well, one fell out.
Yeah, but let's put that back.
And we do have some oddball ones in there, like Maxi Bite Choice and a few other, like, challenges. Italian!
I like Italian!
All right.
Alexa, show us an Italian recipe.
Sorry, no recipes were found for Italian.
For Italian, yeah, I would think not. Alexa, show an Italian recipe.
Okay, for Italian, here's a few recipes. And lots more.
Angel hair pasta with shrimp? Ooh. All right. So this is a Kitchen Stories recipe that it brought up. Scroll up. Let's see. Pasta, shrimp, lemon, parsley, garlic, wine, butter, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Ooh, this sounds good.
Can I have this wine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Even though it has alcohol, bud, when you cook with it, it burns it off. So you don't actually have the alcohol in it. But that's a good safety reminder because you're too young.
Yep.
All right. So what do we got to do?
Go shopping!
And then we will be... Yeah, we will. We'll be back. We'll be back. Oh, yeah, we'll be back. Oh.
I'm gonna grab some lemons. One right, Daddy?
Yep.
I am going to grab the angel hair pasta. Two right. They're heavy. In case you were wondering, why am I wearing a different shirt? We went shopping yesterday. We didn't have enough time to do it yesterday, so we're doing it today. So, in case you were wondering, we are making angel hair pasta with shrimp with
White wine sauce. And here, Eddie, I don't think your head is part of the ingredients. Well, maybe. Let's start cooking. Okay, we're going to take this hair and we're going to cook it in the saute pan. Well, maybe we'll throw it in the oven for a couple hours. You think that'll be good? No, probably not. Anyway, here are the ingredients, right? What did we...
The ingredients?
what's this again?
Extra virgin olive oil.
And parsley.
Mm-hmm.
Angel hair pasta. A thing of
Clove of garlic.
a lemon. Some shrimp. Some white wine. And some salt and pepper.
That's right. All right, so the first step, according to our friend over here,
Whoopsie.
is we got to cook the pasta in plenty of salted boiling water, according to the package instructions, about 5 to 7 minutes, until al dente.
It means to the tooth.
To the tooth. There's somebody
Got
that...
a little bit of crunch.
There we go. Oh, yeah, and we also forgot butter.
Booter.
There's butter as part of it as well. And then we're going to drain the pasta water, set aside, and we'll start cutting up the parsley and garlic while that's boiling.
The angel hair pasta.
Okay, we'll be... Wow.
So we have the water, and we're going to, what is it again?
Liberally add salt.
And as we can see, we're using an owl.
About a teaspoon is what we're considering liberal, and the spillage on the
Is that good, Daddy?
cooktop. Sure. Put that in. And all over the floor. And then Daddy Bites will turn it on to high, and we'll let that start to boil.
And clean up the mess.
And clean up the mess.
Okay, I'm getting ready to cut up 1 clove of garlic, and they said 1 ounce of parsley. So I'm going to cut the end off.
And it says to finely chop.
Finely chop. I will as finely as I possibly can once I get it peeled.
We'll get it chopped up, and
Get
we'll
it
be
chopped up right back.
I'm going to add the pasta.
now that the water has started to gently boil. All in there. Oh! Well, that was a little bit of a calamity.
Yeah, it was tiny, though.
Minor calamity.
Very
Not a major
minor.
calamity.
We'll take care of that and be back.
Yeah.
I'm adding the olive oil, and we're going to wait for that to get hot, and then I am going to put in the shrimp. Eddie's not going to do this because it might, because the shrimp are a little wet, might splatter a little.
And we're going to pan sear them for 3 to 4 minutes. And as you can see, our pasta has been fixed and boiling away.
And they will start to get opaque when they are ready. So we'll be back when we put the shrimp in when the oil gets hot. So we took the tails off the shrimp. Daddy Bites hates it when he gets shrimp in a restaurant that still have their tails. The shell, that's usually the way you buy them. So we're going to put these in to the oil, and we are going to cook them until they are opaque. Shouldn't take too long.
And I think our pasta is ready over there, so I'm going to put the camera down while the shrimp is cooking, take the pasta, drain it, and prep for the next step.
Woohoo!
Okay, so I just drained the pasta. It says to set aside some of the water. So there's our pasta water. We put some aside. And Mommy Bites here is taking care of the shrimp. And Eddie is over there playing with Max, who is barking in the background. Hi, Max.
Once both sides of the shrimp are opaque, we're going to put in the garlic that we chopped up, right?
Nice work, bud. Okay, once the garlic is fragrant, according to the instructions, we're going to deglaze with the 1 cup of white wine. And it's starting to get fragrant.
It is. What does deglaze mean, Daddy?
Deglaze means basically breaking up any of the bits that are stuck to the pan and caramelizing the pot. So it breaks everything up and helps to create a sauce.
Eddie, you want to come and help? Yeah. All right. Keep your head back from it. You're going to pour that into there.
Go ahead. Good job, bud.
Good job.
Next, we add the cold butter to the pan.
How much of it?
1
tablespoon, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And meanwhile, Maxie Bites is licking Eddie's feet.
He was.
And then this
Bring
goes
that over
over
here.
into the pan.
And dump it right in there. Thank
Nice.
you. Okay, we've let this boil down a little bit and concentrate. Gonna add a little smidge of salt. Grind of salt. Grind of pepper. And then we're gonna put the pasta in. Are you almost ready to eat there, bud?
I am ready.
I think he's ready.
You think he's ready to eat?
We're rather hungry.
Okay. So the reserved pasta water I think is in case this is a little too dry. So far it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna stir it up, and then we've got to add
some lemon juice, right?
it's a little bit of lemon juice and the parsley we chopped up. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this just to thicken it up. Supposedly that helps thicken stuff.
And again, too bad you guys don't have smell vision, because wow, I'm excited.
Really good.
Say that again. I don't know if anyone heard you.
It smells really good.
Yes, it does. It looks fantastic, with a nice touch of color.
Oh, and I
Starting to
lost
sound
my
like a pro.
lemon.
Ah!
Now I'm going to add in the lemon. I'm going to put my hand underneath it just in case any seeds squirt out.
And of course, we all washed our hands before we started cooking.
And I washed them after handling the raw shrimp as well.
Good call, Mommy Bites.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you very
yeah.
much.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I am going to do my taste test of this thing that smells and looks very good.
It looks just like the picture, doesn't it?
Get this shrimp.
Oh dear. Oh my gosh, bud. Well then. When you're done,
The pasta was really good. You can taste the wine in it. You can actually taste it. And you can taste the shrimp, and all of it combined is just perfect. And the parsley, it doesn't really taste like anything. To me, it just gives it a little flavor, like a little texture.
little color. So, another thumbs up.
Totally.
Awesome. All right, I think Mommy Bites is next.
My turn. I like to cut my shrimp in half so I have more shrimp to eat with my pasta. Didn't your mother ever teach you how to spin your pasta, dude?
Yeah, but I don't usually spin my pasta.
That is delicious. Taste a little bit of the lemon that we finished it off with. You taste the wine. It's really light. I like that the sauce isn't real heavy. You can taste the wine. You can taste a little hint of the butter. And the shrimp are really well cooked. I did a great job cooking the shrimp. So I give it 2 thumbs up.
All right, it's Daddy Bite's turn. So let's see what we get. I will also do the twirl method. Now, let's get a little bit of the shrimp here. I also like to cut my shrimp in half.
That way you have more shrimp to go with the pasta,
You
right?
do.
I ate all my shrimp.
Wow. There is a lot going on here. For such a quick and easy dish, I mean, it literally took us 20 minutes to make this. There are a lot of flavors. You definitely can taste the wine, like you said. You can taste the, little bit of hint of the butter. You can taste the lemon, the shrimp, everything. It's such a light meal, but very easy to make. Highly recommend this one. Another score for the Alexa Food Challenge. And with that, I think we move on to our final message here. Again, please subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. And also comment. If you subscribe and comment, you'll be entered into any of our contests. You must be subscribed at the time that we draw the contests. And,
And remember to eat some pasta and remember to enjoy every little bite. Bye.
Bye.
Do, 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 do.